Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you can learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel we talk about apps that involve money and investing. And we're going to be talking about the Chime app in this video. So Chime has had the feature to pay someone for quite some time, but they had to have a Chime app also in order for you to send them money. But Chime has made some adjustments to where they no longer have to be a Chime user themselves in order for you to send them money, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to go through the process right now. First, you want to open the Chime app. Then you'll be prompted to enter your PIN number, which you'll want to go ahead and do. You'll then be taken to the home screen. Once you're at the home screen, there's an option that says pay anyone, which is awesome to see because the anyone was not there before. You want to click on it. And if you haven't synced your contacts with the Chime, it'll ask if you want to do so. Keep in mind you don't have to for this, but you will need the other person's phone number. So you can type in their name, their Chime sign if they are obviously signed up with Chime, their email address, or their phone number. I'm gonna type in the name of my friend. He just popped up. I'm gonna select him. And I'm going to send him $5 and say this is for a Chime YouTube video. And you have the options to request this money or to pay this money. Obviously, I'm going to be paying this money, so I'm going to click on pay. Then you'll get a message saying that the transaction has been initiated. Click on got it. And you might be wondering why it says remind. This is putting the money out there for your friend to claim if you are paying someone. So until they officially click on the Chime link and enter the necessary information, they won't be paid the money. So you can click on remind to shoot them a text to basically remind them to accept the claim. So if we go back and look at home, the money is taken out, but it won't be paid to them until they follow the instructions provided by Chime. So that about does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I drop another video. And if you haven't signed up for the Chime app and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Full disclosure, that is an affiliate link. And you can also check out my Chime playlist where I give detailed instructions on how to do other things concerning the Chime Bank app. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.